Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aries, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. Aries, we are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies. I'll be picking one card each for your career situation and relationship, guys. So this is for your relationship and this is for your career situation, guys. Aries. And I also have a pick a card love reading right after this general energy. So if you are interested, stay tuned for that, guys. So that reading will follow this general energy. So we will see what are these cards. We have fox, dog, and tower. So Aries, in your situation, guys, today. So Aries, in your situation, guys, you are seeing some sudden changes. Maybe it may be in your career or it may be in this relationship. Maybe for some of you, it may be something like this. You are getting a promotion or you are moving to a different place for work, and it is taking you away from the people you love. So this work is coming in between your relationship, something like that, guys. And for some of you, I see that in your career situation, it may be a circumstance or a person. So they are acting as your friend, they are talking to you nicely, but they have a hidden, what to say, hidden agenda. They are trying to just benefit themselves. So you need to be really careful, guys, with that person. And also in your situation, maybe these changes, maybe the changes in your career, or it may be some changes in your relationship. Maybe you have doubts on this person, some kind of confusion. You are unable to rely on them, guys, for some of you. But I see that your person is really loyal. We have this card. This card stands for loyalty. So this person you have doubts on, they may be loyal, trustworthy, guys. Or if it is someone in your career situation, maybe you have some doubts, they may be loyal. So there is someone who is not what to say, having that true intentions, and there is someone who is loyal. So you need to identify who it is, guys. So that is the energy, guys. But I see that you are seeing drastic changes in your situation, guys. Maybe you are pushed to some decisions because of the way people are. Someone is loyal, someone is not loyal. So some kind of confusion you have in your situation, guys. Aries, let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have lilies. So maybe in your love, you have that good understanding with this person, guys. You have that understanding, that deep commitment, bonding with this person you love. Maybe for some of you, this may be your karmic destiny. That is the reason this person is there. And maybe that may be the reason for some confusions or troubles. It may be predestined, guys. But you may have that beautiful understanding with this person. So no matter what your situation is, you have that understanding. Let's see what is the card for your career. We have heart. So it just means that whatever you love to do, you are doing it right now, guys, Aries. So in your career situation, something passionate, something which uses your skills and talents, you are doing that. So that is the energy with these cards, guys. So if you want more clarity, stay tuned for that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. Aries, For your love reading, guys, today we have three cards. So you can think about your situation. Maybe you have some doubts or some questions in your mind. You can think about it. Close your eyes and meditate for a few seconds. Open your eyes and choose the card or the crystal. We have three crystals, guys. So if you choose that way, the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with this card. This is your first card after a few seconds of silence. So let's meditate together, guys. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card and this crystal. What it is, let's see what it is. I will keep these cards aside. So let's see what is the card for you all, those who have chosen this card. It is Imagine. So with this card, it just means that all of us have beautiful dreams or fantasies about our life, about our love situation, and we enjoy those fantasies, or we just enjoy daydreaming about this person we love or about our future love. And it may be romantic and extremely pleasing, but you need to understand that if you want that experience in reality, you have to go for that action instead of just daydreaming, guys. And you have to make the efforts, maybe start relating with the people you like. Maybe you can step out, start communicating, and that way you will meet the right person and you will be able to manifest all your dreams that you have. And maybe for some of you, there is someone entering your life, the person of your dreams, with all those beautiful attributes you have dreamt about. So you are going to meet such a person very soon, guys. That is the energy with this card. And if you imagine that way, maybe that person will enter, or if you even imagine that this person is going to enter, and when you have that positive intentions for yourself, it is simply going to manifest. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who have chosen this first card, that is the reading for y'all, guys. So let's see what is the reading with this crystal and this card for those who have chosen the second card. We have turquoise. So that is the crystal spirit card for you all, guys. So sometimes in our relationship, maybe of our past relationship, or maybe based on our memories or experience, we keep telling a particular story to ourselves, and we simply cannot find the person we love, maybe with those qualities we want. So it is time you just have think of your situation from a different perspective. When you do that, you will realize your mistakes, maybe, guys. So whatever has gone wrong, you will be able to acknowledge that, and you will be able to tell a different story, reframe a different story. That way you will gain greater wisdom and strength to deal with your situation. And that may be the reason that you have not found the person you like, guys. Maybe so the love you simply yearn for, you are not able to find because you need to change your perception, guys. So you need to tell a different thing, maybe see your situation from a different perspective. So that way you will be able to handle your situation better, and you will be able to get a better relationship, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So you no longer need to focus on all those mistakes or shortcomings that was there in the past. You can let all that go and move forward with that freshness in your mind when you have your vision based on a different perspective. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this card. That is the reading. So let's see what is the third card with this crystal and this card. So what is the card? We have the Light Princess, ungrounded. So with this card, the energy is that, guys, we need to have compassion and empathy along with intelligence, guys, and life teaches us many lessons, and we become more and more compassionate, kind and empathetic based on our experiences, and we should be able to relate to the other person we are with, maybe try to work with them, try to be really kind and compassionate to them, relate to that person. So when we are able to do that, when we are able to connect with that other person, we will be able to build a better relationship, and we should not stay aloof or isolate ourselves, escape from any any difficult situations. We should feel that true connection with the people we are with, help them in whatever way we can, maybe or we can be with them. Just relating with that other person is going to help us, or it is going to take us towards a beautiful relationship, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for you all today. And we should not try to escape from any difficult situation. Maybe escaping from a difficult situation, we can avoid that pain and stress, but we will not be in that connection, or we will not be able to build a meaningful connection. We will be alone, guys. We will isolate ourselves. So that is the energy here. So we should not isolate ourselves. We should go for that compassionate, grounded relationship. So that is the energy here. So thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.